Okay, ladies, do you have thin hair? Is your hair thinning at the top, in the front, around the edges, but you want a crochet style? Well, this is all in the technique. Yes, crochet braids are trending right now. And here's the real reason. The real secret is in the technique. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install crochet box braids with the curly ends. As you can see, her hair is thinning around the edges and in the top, but no worries because I've given her a healthy braid pattern. As you can see, in the back I did the braids going from side to side, and in the front I did the braids going down on one side to the left and on the other side going down on the right. This technique and this braid pattern is perfect for anyone with thinning hair with thin edges. This technique gives you a natural look. It lasts longer, it's lightweight, and yes, here's the hair we're using. This is going to be 6 packs of crochet box braids with the curly ends. As you can see, it's an ombre color, 1B gray. Yes, it's a 1B mixed with a gray. It's 12 inches long, and again, it is crochet box braids with the curly ends. And as you can see here, after doing the crochet braid pattern, I used a crochet cap. Yes, I used a crochet cap because I'm going to put as much reduce as much tension, pressure, and weight on her natural hair as possible. And I'm also doing the finger space method. Yes, as you can see, I use my index finger and I put a space in between each crochet. And that is what's going to make this braid pattern flawless. Yes, it's going to make each braid lay nice and flat and nice and smooth. Look how that braid just landed right in between the row below it. And that's what you want, ladies. You want to make sure that you are using that finger space. That's going to reduce any bulkiness, and it's going to give you that natural look. So again, in this video, I'm showing you step by step how this technique transforms to the final result. Yes, the results that you've been waiting for. And again, it's lightweight, it's natural looking, it lasts long, and it reduces all the bulkiness. Yes, no humps and no lumps. Look how that just filled in. And again, each crochet is falling in between the row below it, and that's what you want, ladies. So don't forget to use this finger space method. It's super important. I use it all the time, especially for my clients who don't like a lot of big hair or bulky hair. And this is the perfect technique and the perfect method to use. Again, I'm going to show you really close up how I do that finger space. So as you can see, I'm taking my latch hook. I attached it to the crochet braid. I'm pulling it through, and watch where it's going to land. Right there, right in between. And then the space above that, the row above that, the next one is going to fall in each space. And that's how you do that. So with this crochet cap that I'm using, I'm going to crochet on that band. Yes, the crochet cap band that goes all the way around the forehead and around the neck. I'm going to crochet on that because I want to reduce as much tension, stress, and pulling on her edges as possible. So I'm going to use this band to be her edges. Basically, this band is going to create the edges for her. That way she's going to be able to pull this style back, and it's going to look like her natural edges. So we want to make this band nice and full and only crocheting on the band. Again, we want to reduce as much pulling, stress, tension on her edges as possible. And this is how you do it, ladies. Crochet on that band so that band is not showing. And again, this is going to be her edges, and I'm going to show you just how this is going to come out. So again, if you are experiencing thinning hair, again at the top, in the front, around your edges, this is the method that you want to use. It is absolutely flawless. this is the technique that I like to use all the time. And look at those edges. Look how she's going to be able to pull that up and pull that back, and no one is ever going to know that she has a crochet cap on. And this is what you want to do, ladies. So I'm doing the same thing on this left side that I just did on the right side. Again, crocheting on that crochet cap. And I'm going to do this all the way around the front of her head. Continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is achieved. It came out absolutely beautiful. Again, it's lightweight, long lasting. It's a natural look, and there's no bumps. There's no bumps, no humps, no lumps. And again, that's what we want, ladies. We want to make sure that our crochet styles are coming out flawless. And again, this is the perfect method for thinning hair, thin edges, fragile edges. If you are experiencing any of these, make sure that you try this technique. Try this braid pattern. Again, it is perfect for anyone who's looking for a protective style for thinning hair. Again, continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style came out. You do not want to miss the end results. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. If you're interested in booking an appointment, tap the link in my bio. Go to my page, tap the link in my bio. It will take you to my website. And on my website, you can find all my information, my business number, and contact me. I am located in California. Yes, in California. So, oh my gosh, here it is. This is the end results. Look how beautiful this came out. Look how full it is. It's not too full. This is the perfect